Hey, my name is Connor, and welcome to Crypto Empire, where I show you how to dominate in the crypto markets. Ethereum is currently facing its fair share of growing pain issues, including very high gas fees to interact with the network. So there is a very high demand for layer 2 scaling solutions that will build the proper infrastructure for Ethereum to solve mass adoption. And Matic Network, now known as Polygon, is one of the main layer 2 scaling solutions for the Ethereum blockchain. In this video, we're going to be covering what Matic Network is, the problems that it is aiming to solve, as well as my price prediction for this bull run year of 2021. So if you're new to Crypto Empire, be sure to subscribe to the channel down below, like this video, comment on this video, and make sure all notifications are turned on as well. And let the gains be with you. So taking a look at the market cap, Bitcoin is currently trading at $50,000, Ethereum is at $2,300, and we are at 48.6% Bitcoin dominance and about 14% Ethereum market cap dominance. So Ethereum is still holding strong. Bitcoin is holding this critical $50,000 price level at this point in time. If we do end up taking a next leg down, it could be very bearish in the short to midterm for altcoins. This bull market in my eyes is not over. I think this is just a very healthy correction. We do see several 30 to 40% corrections every single bull run. Last time in 2016 and 2017, we saw about 30 to 40% pullbacks. So just know that this is a common occurrence for a bull market. It's healthy for the bull market to continue. But let's get back to the subject at hand, which is Polygon, formerly known as Matic Network. Matic is number 62 in market cap with about a $2 billion market cap. There is a max supply of 10 billion tokens with a circulating supply of about half that, 5.2 billion tokens in circulation at this point in time. So Matic is currently trading at 38 cents. And it is very important to know that back in February of 2021, Matic did go through a rebranding. It was really just a cosmetic overhaul. And as we can see from the title of this article, Matic rebrands to Polygon in pursuit of Polkadot on Ethereum strategy. So Matic Network's goal is to make Ethereum completely interoperable. They want to be like Polkadot, Cosmos, Avalanche. They want to do the same things that those networks are doing, but they want to keep it all on Ethereum, which is why they are a layer 2 built on top of Ethereum. And we're going to discuss right now how that has certain advantages. But just know that Matic wants to be like a Swiss Army knife for Ethereum, allowing it to do anything. And this article covers some details from back in February about how it is actually competing and offering more than other blockchains such as Polkadot, Cosmos, and Avalanche. Polygon would benefit from Ethereum's general network effect of decentralized applications and adoption, while also being inherently more secure due to Ethereum being the larger and more battle-tested blockchain they are comparing to Polkadot, Cosmos, or Avalanche right now. And one of the co-founders of Matic did say that Polygon is more open and powerful, primarily in terms of architect types it can support. The platform can incorporate any Ethereum scalability solution while also adopting Ethereum's ethos of open innovation. So Polygon is doing a lot for the Ethereum network, and it will be very interesting to see how things take shape when ETH 2.0 does come out, as well as EIP 1559, when Ethereum will become a deflationary asset, and also that will help lower the gas fees. So it's going to be interesting to see how these two networks, Matic built on top of Ethereum, just a layer 2 on top of ETH, it's going to be interesting to see how they blend together and work together to really make this something special and see Ethereum be the main smart contract blockchain. I do think that Polkadot, Cosmos, and Avalanche are very good, very strong blockchain projects as well. I own a lot of Polkadot. But with that being said, it will be very interesting to see how things take shape. So now let's take a look at the price chart and see what is going on with Matic Network, also known as Polygon, of course. So I did have this pennant, and I was expecting a leg up for alts, but things did get very overheated in the markets. We saw the Dogecoin and SafeMoon hype. And when things like that happen, when there is a lot of retail hysteria to just jump into the markets and ape into these random altcoin projects that don't offer any value, that is always time to start to ring the alarm bells, and we can expect a correction. Obviously, that's easy for me to say with hindsight, but after analyzing what actually went down and seeing all the hysteria that took place, it was actually pretty obvious that the market was due for a correction. Because when people that are brand new to crypto just start throwing money at any given project with the expectations to get rich overnight, that is just a caution, a red flag that should be going off in your mind to book some profits and expect a correction. So taking a look at what's happening on the price chart, we can see that we do have this demand zone down here that's gotten touched several times. I did call it out when it first touched in my Telegram group, back in March. I updated all of the group members. If you are not a part of that free Telegram group, guys, go ahead and hit the link in the description of this video right now. Become a part of the Crypto Empire community, because there are several special benefits that you will get by being a member of that group that you won't get by just being subscribed to the YouTube channel. So go ahead right now and join that free group. Again, link is down in the description below. But taking a look at the price action, guys, this support, this demand zone needs to hold. I do expect it to hold, to be quite honest with you. If we do see another leg down, that would just be another buying opportunity in my eyes, because like I said in the beginning of this video, I don't think that the bull market is over. I think we are being presented right now with a very good buying opportunity. And as we can see with Matic, it recovered very quickly from the flash crash. We saw a dip of about 30-40%. It did break this demand zone, and we saw this across many altcoins where this long wick down wicked past all the levels of support, and this is what I would call a stop loss hunt. This liquidated a lot of traders in the market, and the exchanges and the market makers are laughing all the way to the bank right now, because they just flushed out a lot of liquidity from traders and speculators across the world with that recent flash crash, which is why I always preach, if you are trading with leverage, you need to properly manage your risk. You can't be overexposed, and you can't have too big of a position size, because if you do not trade properly, the point of trading is to survive, to live to trade another day. Of course, to be a profitable trader by doing so, but no trader has a 100% win rate, as much as you would like to think that with all the things we're seeing on social media nowadays. But anyway, with that being said, I do expect this consolidation area to continue for Matic from about 54 cents down here to 26 cents. It is quite a wide zone. So if you do want to be purchasing some Matic tokens, I would advise you, I'm not a financial advisor, but I would say that you want to pick up your tokens around the 30-cent area where this demand zone is. If we do see another drop back down into the zone, I would call that a buying opportunity. And I don't expect price to break beneath this level at about 25 cents. But if we do break beneath that level, if we see some more bearishness in the altcoin markets, then I'll make another video to update you guys on a plan of attack to go from there. I had a pennant drawn before, but this is looking more like an ascending triangle than a pennant now, with some horizontal resistance up here. And this is a very bullish chart pattern. I am expecting a break to the upside still, and when this does happen, I expect it to move very quickly. If we're going to be talking about profit targets in the immediate short term, after we do break out of this consolidation range, we're going to take our Fibonacci and take it from the swing high down to the swing low, and look at the extension levels that it brings up. First, we have one at 71 cents, then the 82-cent level, and then over here at 99.7 cents, just about $1. And $1 is the level that I'm looking to book profit for my Matic, because I'll be real with you, I did buy it back in November of this year for around 1 cent. So at $1, that would be about 100x for me, and I am looking to scoop up that 100x profit for myself. So that is just me, my personal opinion. You need to do you, depending on what you got in at, depending on your situation, when you want to take profit, you need to make that decision on your own. But again, $1 is my first price target. I will be selling about half of my position and then keeping half to ride out as the bull market progresses. Taking a look at the Matic Ethereum chart, it's always important to look at the values versus real money and not just fiat money, which of course the central banks just print to oblivion. We do have another trend line that you can draw up here. Looks like it might want to break out of this trend line, and we could see a move higher versus Ethereum. This chart is looking very bullish, as well as the US dollar chart. I am expecting a move out of here. If we do see a large rally for altcoins, I'm expecting Matic to perform very well. So be on the lookout for this trendline break on the Matic Ethereum chart. Taking a look at the Matic Bitcoin chart, again, same song and dance, consolidation. I am expecting a breakout of this consolidation to the upside. It has been showing strength over the past several days versus Bitcoin, as well as Ethereum and the dollar. So Matic is looking strong in my eyes right now. So if you are looking to scoop some up, I would advise you to wait to a drop to the lower end of the range. However, you don't want to miss the boat, so I would recommend scaling into your position, dollar cost averaging into your position to make sure that you at least lock in some of your allocation. So moving on, Matic Network does have a very strong team, including a large number of Ethereum developers. If you go over to polygon.technology, you can take a look for yourself at the team. I will go over it for you. They do have 4 co-founders. 3 of them are from India, And with that being said, India does have a lot of people that are interested in cryptocurrency and blockchain, and they have one of the largest populations in the world. So they have one of the largest populations that are interested in crypto. So I do think that's very bullish for Matic, because Matic is lightning quick. You can process 65,000 transactions per second on the Matic network with a 2-second block time, while on Ethereum it's only about 15 to 25 transactions per second. So there's a major increase in scalability with Matic compared to Ethereum. And as well, I did not mention that Matic is also super inexpensive to use. Matic also has several Ethereum developers on the advisory board for Polygon, and these guys have been with Ethereum since the start in 2016. These are people like John Lilick, Anthony Sassano, and Hudson Jameson, and these guys are making sure that Matic blossoms into what it was created to be, which is something that will greatly enhance the whole entire Ethereum ecosystem. So Matic has a very strong team. They have a stacked advisory board. They have 4 co-founders that know what they are doing, and also they have a very active social media presence. And if you guys are following Matic on Twitter, you would know that they are constantly releasing new updates and new partnerships with other chains and projects. Overall, it's extremely bullish because pretty much every Ethereum project is now on Matic. So we're seeing adoption take place at a rapid scale with other projects, and this is because layer 1 on Ethereum is currently very hard to use just because it costs so much to use it, and it is very slow. So these projects are all moving over to Matic, to Polygon. So you will need to know that Quickswap is the main decentralized exchange on the Polygon Matic network. And taking a look at this tweet by Quickswap, you can see some of the yield that you could be earning by using DeFi on Quickswap, and it is absolutely insane. You could be making a lot of money yield farming, doing DeFi activities on Quickswap. If you guys want me to make an in-depth tutorial on the Quickswap exchange, it looks just like Uniswap, guys. It is really no different. However, we can see in the charts the total value locked right now, it has gone up exponentially. The total liquidity right now for Quickswap is $125 million. This is going up exponentially. And just for Matic Polygon as a whole, not Quickswap, since 2021 started, they went from about $5 million to $800 million in total value locked on the Polygon Matic network. So this chain is moving very quickly. Price is looking bullish as long as Bitcoin doesn't drop lower and we see some kind of strength from altcoins. Ethereum is still looking very strong, guys. The Ethereum Bitcoin chart is still at 4.5 million Satoshis. We will be keeping a very close eye on this, but Matic Polygon needs to be on your radar if it is not already on your radar. And again, be looking out for an entry at about the 30-cent level if it does end up dropping back down here. And if we do break beneath this level, I will address it first in my Telegram group, and I'll make another YouTube video on how to play the next move. So to wrap things up for this video, people want fast, efficient, quick blockchain networks. They don't want to be paying an arm and a leg for gas fees, and they don't want to be waiting up to 10 minutes for a transaction to go through. So Matic Polygon is changing the game right now for Ethereum by offering a very solid layer 2 scaling solution. There are other layer 2s out there such as XDAI, Harmony 1. Those should be on your radar as well. I will cover those in future videos. But Matic Polygon is one of the main layer 2 scaling solutions for Ethereum. They are building the infrastructure for mass adoption. They are solving the gas fee issues. They are making it quick, and they are making Ethereum interoperable with other blockchains as well. This coin needs to be on your radar if it's not on your radar already. I hope that you did enjoy this video, and I want to hear from you now because I did too much talking in this video. So leave a comment down below on your thoughts on Matic if you are holding any, as well as your price levels for this bull run year of 2021. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and we will see you in the next video.